Hey guys, I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about our Ford E-Series van lifts, and we call this our Baja Grocery Getter. So the Baja Grocery Getter kit is going to be a 6-inch lift kit for your Ford E-Series van. Now this lift kit will work with any van, whether it's a 150, 250, or 350. It's not going to matter. We can still build you a lift kit that's going to lift your van. Most of these lift kits allow you to run a 33-inch tire, and for some of you guys that get really excited and want to go big, you can do a 35-inch tire, but it's going to need some trimming and some additional modifications, but just kind of want to throw that out there. So let's take a look at our Baja Grocery Getter kit and see what's all involved in the components that you're going to get with this kit. All these parts work really well together in order to enhance the performance and the suspension travel of your van. So one of the biggest things that we do is we do a modified I-beam that doesn't utilize any drop-down brackets of any sorts. We correct the camber in that modified I-beam. The next thing that's essential to this kit is going to be our new lift coils. These coils are going to give you 6 inches of lift. Truly, it's about 5 inches of lift is what you're going to get out of this kit. So some of you think that that's way too big. It's really not. It's going to really make your van look nice and look like a lifted van. The next thing is our extended radius arms. These extended radius arms are more than 9 inches longer than stock. What that's going to do is give you less caster change as your wheel moves up and down. So another thing we do with the weld-on radius arm brackets is it allows you to move your wheel farther forward in your wheel well. What that does is it prevents your tire from rubbing on the back part of your fender, which is essential in wanting to run bigger tires. So that's another benefit. Also, the benefit in the extended radius arms is that they're going to have more caster built into them, which is going to help your van perform better both on the road and off. The last thing we're adding to the Baja Grocery Getter front suspension is going to be the Fox shocks. These shocks are essential in helping your van perform its best through whether it be on or off road, big dips, potholes, gravel roads, graded roads, any kind of road you can get on, it's gonna eat it up and have a lot of fun. You're gonna really be impressed with the added performance these shocks give your van. In the rear, we're adding 3-inch lift blocks, new U-bolts, and also Fox shocks in the rear to control the rear suspension. Now, if you're ready to take your WeldTec Designs Baja Grocery Getter kit a step further, what you're going to do is add custom leaf springs. These custom leaf springs allow you to optimize your rear suspension. The benefit in the rear leaf springs is that it's going to give you a more progressive ride. It's a key part, but not necessarily essential for those people that maybe are just, total highway drivers and don't want to put the added expense into the vehicle. It is well worth it, and you will notice a huge difference. Just want to go over all the benefits of each part that you can do on your lift kit. The next add-on with this Baja Grocery Getter kit, which is a really nice factor, is going to be our steering stabilizer kit. We make 2 different kits for these, one for the gas model and one for a diesel model, which is really going to make a huge difference in reducing the feedback that you get in your steering wheel, whether you hit a large pothole or bump on one side. Typically you feel the wheel wanting to jerk to one side. This is going to help reduce the feedback in that. So another key piece to adding to this Baja Grocery Getter kit. So also you'll see listed on our website is our complete performance package, which includes our front Baja Grocery Getter kit. It eliminates the blocks and U-bolts and runs the leaf springs in the rear. So a lot of you guys are always asking the difference between them. Well, that's the biggest difference, is the complete performance package is going to include the rear leaf springs. The final touch to any Baja Grocery Getter kit is going to be a beautiful set of Method race wheels. Typically we run a 17 by 8.5 wheel. And what we like to do on these is we like to run a 285/70/17 tire. We have found that this is a best all-around tire size for this kit without having to re-gear your van. That's all the parts necessary in order to lift your van 6 inches with our Baja Grocery Getter kit by WeldTec Designs.